Hello guys, welcome to Yardie Belly Is TV. Let me ask a question. Do you know what a Yardie is? A Yardie is a Jamaican who is not living on the island, otherwise known as an expatriate. Therefore, Yardie Belly is a Jamaican living overseas who love food. When me talk about love food, I mean crazy over food. Hence, him love him belly. Me love me belly. Yes, me love me belly. Me love me belly. Yes, me love me belly. Join me each week as we make creative dishes using locally sourced ingredients. Fusion food, Caribbean food, Jamaican food. So make sure you subscribe to Yardie Belly Is TV on YouTube. Remember, Yardie Belly TV, exploring the world one plate at a time.